Good Monday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. This is your outlook for July 21st, 2014. And we're going to have another one of those nice days, just like the weekend was. Really not too much in the way of cloud cover, and actually going to be a little bit better here at the some places that were in the clouds and showers this weekend, which was pretty much out in central PA here on Saturday. Along the shore points was a little cloudy here for a good part of the weekend here with that onshore flow, but high pressure nose down in between here gave us some pretty nice days here in the in-between areas across eastern Pennsylvania. So it wasn't too bad of a weekend, so I couldn't say it was a gorgeous weekend everywhere for our entire coverage area, but for some areas it was, and that's going to continue again today. And we're going to have a boundary that's going to move through here, we think, and that's going to be this afternoon or in the evening here. Just a weak boundary that's going to move through, and along that weak boundary here there could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm. This is going to be mainly for our western areas here. I don't expect anything at all over in this area here that I'm circling, so this will be all just out towards central PA. As a matter of fact, we'll go over to the NAM high-res future simulated radar, and this is showing some activity where this is going to pop up over central PA. This is actually in generally the 3 to 9 p.m. time frame here. Here's 3 p.m. and here's up to about 9, and then it just falls apart after that point. And disappear. So it's going to stick out here. Just our western areas, I could see a pop-up shower or storm where that would be possible closer to that boundary. But elsewhere, further east, we should be okay and not have to worry about that. Same deal is going to happen again on Tuesday, we think, and you're going to have another chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, and that's right here. Here's we're looking at Tuesday here now. Heat and humidity are going to increase a little bit. So this high pressure that was out over New England and has been there for a couple days is going to drift south to this position right here. So because you have it moving a little bit further south, return flow around the high pressures like this, and it's going to shift winds down to the south and southwest, and with that is an increase in humidity. With the increase in humidity is an increase in instability, and you can get that instability showers or thunderstorms that can pop up here on Tuesday. And pretty much the same idea holds for Wednesday. Here's later Wednesday here, same idea, just isolated here. There is a cold front that's going to be up to our north here that I don't think is going to get here in time here on Wednesday. So this will be something that will come through probably early Thursday actually, and because it's coming in the time it is, I'm not really expecting much in the way of severe weather. Here is Wednesday evening. You see it's still up here across northwestern PA and western New York at that point. Is where the cold front is, and then here is early Thursday morning. Front is pretty much draped over our coverage area here, and it's going to take its time getting through here, I think, on Thursday. So you get to Thursday afternoon, it does push a little bit further south here, but the front being here in this general area right here, you're seeing the showers and thunderstorms out ahead of it, mainly for our southern sections, and the northern sections are a little bit cooler. With lowering humidity as that front starts now pushing through. So this would be for areas in extreme northern Pennsylvania would be the lower humidity, and down here in the southern sections you could get close to 90 again, like it will be on Wednesday. But I do think Wednesday is the warmest day of the week. And this front just pushes off to the south, and high pressure is going to move in behind this again, and we're going to have another Friday, Saturday. It looks like it's going to be at this point, dry and lower humidity. And it does look like that'll last right in through the entire weekend. But as we get a little bit closer, we'll narrow that down for at least later in the weekend. Right now it looks dry, but that, of course, is subject to change. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for July 21st, 2014. Have a great Monday.